Hey everyone! What's up? How's your day going? I hope you're having a fantastic one because I'm really pumped to share something special with you today. If you're tired of scrolling through the same repetitive fitness videos, or if you're feeling a bit low on motivation and you're looking for content that genuinely lifts your spirits, makes you smile, and inspires you to tackle your goals, then pause right here. You've found exactly what you need. Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing social media creator who's making a huge positive impact on TikTok. Her handle is at FitFaithNick1Spam, and she's already grown an inspiring community with over 510,000 followers and more than 4.2 million likes across her videos. This talented young woman from New York City is a college student who beautifully combines fitness routines, real everyday dorm life, and her strong personal faith into short, engaging 15-second videos that leave you feeling energized and uplifted every time. She's studying at the renowned Fashion Institute of Technology right in the middle of vibrant New York City, living that classic college adventure that so many of us relate to or dream about. What's really wonderful is how she makes fitness feel exciting and doable, turns faith into something approachable and encouraging, and helps build genuine self-confidence. So, if you're a young person searching for authentic inspiration, a moment of joy to brighten your day, and a creator who's not only lovely but truly understands the realities of growing up and chasing dreams, this video is made especially for you. I really encourage you to stay with me for the full 8 minutes because I'm going to share everything you need to know about why at FitFaithNick1Spam is growing so quickly, what makes her content so enjoyable and meaningful, and why adding her to your feed today could be a game changer for your motivation. By the end, I promise you'll be smiling, feeling inspired, and ready to check out her page. So let's get started and dive into her amazing journey. You're going to love this. First, let's talk more about who she is and what her everyday life looks like. She's a full-time student at FIT, the Fashion Institute of Technology, and she's right in the heart of New York City's exciting energy. Unlike many creators who use polished studios, she keeps everything completely real by filming in her actual dorm room, at the campus gym, or just around her daily routine. That authenticity is what draws people in. It feels like you're getting an honest glimpse into someone's true life, not something staged. In one video, you'll catch her powering through an awesome workout while saying something fun like, "Feeling this workout, LOL," and her enthusiasm practically jumps through the screen. It's the kind of energy that motivates you to get moving too. Then the next clip might show her being totally playful and silly at the gym, laughing at little mishaps and inviting you to join in the fun. It reminds everyone that staying active can be joyful and lighthearted, not always super serious. She also shares confident moments where she celebrates her body with captions like "thick" while owning her stride like the star of her own story. It's a refreshing message about embracing who you are, practicing body positivity, and loving yourself fully. And her dorm tour videos? They're fan favorites. In clips like "Come tour my fit dorm with me," she gives you a genuine walkthrough, showing the slightly messy study space from late-night sessions, her quick skincare steps between classes, fast outfit switches before heading out, and no filters at all. It feels just like hanging out with your most encouraging, driven friend who's going through college life right alongside you. What truly makes at FitFaithNick1Spam stand out from other fitness creators is how naturally she includes her faith in everything. She doesn't keep her workouts separate from her beliefs. Instead, she gently weaves in uplifting messages that touch your heart. For example, she'll share encouraging reminders like, "Things work out better than planned, exactly how they are meant to," helping you focus not just on physical health, but on trusting life's process and staying positive overall. By blending faith-inspired encouragement with practical fitness tips, her videos support improvement in your body, your mindset, and your spirit all at once. No matter your mood, her content delivers exactly what you need in the moment. Sometimes she's moving to an upbeat song that gets you dancing along. Other times she's posting something warm like, "I'm really sweet, I promise," with her bright, genuine smile that lights up everything. Each video feels like a quick, heartfelt pep talk from a caring friend who wants to see you succeed and be happy. The pacing is lively, The humor is wholesome, the energy is so positive, and most importantly, it motivates you to set your phone down and take real steps forward in your own life. Her style and message connect perfectly with young people who are figuring out their path. She shows that you can chase meaningful goals, stay active, strengthen your faith, and still enjoy every day without unnecessary pressure. There's no pretending to be perfect, no unrealistic expectations, and zero negativity, just honest, feel-good inspiration that helps you believe in your own potential. That's why her comments are full of touching stories from followers who say she helped them restart their fitness habits, feel more confident in themselves, and grow closer to their spiritual side. She's far more than a typical influencer. She's a consistent source of positivity and support that brightens so many feeds. So let's bring it all together. At FitFaithNick1Spam isn't just another creator appearing on your For You page. She's living proof that combining strong faith, regular fitness, and a warm, genuine personality can make you truly unstoppable. In a world full of polished highlight reels that sometimes leave us feeling short, her honest perspective on New York City college life and her heartfelt approach feel incredibly refreshing and real. Every day, she's motivating thousands of young people to show up for themselves in powerful ways, caring for their bodies through movement, nurturing their minds with encouragement, and strengthening their spirits with meaningful faith-based messages. And the best part? This is just the beginning of her journey. Her positive influence is only going to keep growing, and you're going to be glad you discovered her now and got to watch it unfold. Okay, everyone, here's the exciting part, the action step. I need you to do this right now while the inspiration is fresh. Open TikTok, search for @FitFaithNick1Spam, tap that follow button, and turn on notifications so you catch every new video. Then head to her latest post, maybe a workout or dorm moment, and leave a big fire emoji fire in the comments, or even say hi and mention you found her here. She loves connecting with new supporters. If this video left you feeling motivated or happy today, please hit that like button. It really helps spread positive content like this. Subscribe if you're not already, and tap the bell so you never miss our next spotlight on an uplifting creator. Tag a friend, your workout partner, or anyone who could use some extra encouragement in the comments. Let's share these good vibes and grow the community together. Thank you so much for spending these minutes with me. You're the reason I love creating videos like this, and I truly appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll highlight another wonderful talent. Until then, keep shining, keep moving forward, keep growing, and always remember, you've got this. Let's go.